another episode on the sewing with beginners.
Ah, there's a fire! My sewing machine's on fire!
Now it's time to get to real, actual, full-on flipping. Like flipping the table, flipping. It's gonna be crazy. I know. I'm gonna be taking a skirt, turning to a shirt, taking a dress, turning to a shirt. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. You're gonna see it. Don't worry. It's gonna be great. Side. Or maybe that's just quarantine telling me that. I'm not gonna do it though. It looks really cute when you mix textures. Like for the first one, it's just a plain old shirt, and then the second one is with a leather skirt, and I like the leather mixed with the cotton. I think that just looks a lot better. But overall, with a long skirt, short skirt, it still looks cute, and you can tuck it in and tuck it out. I think it's best. Alright guys, so here's the final, last thrift flip. With all the knowledge and experience I've had through these past 2 shirts, I decided that I was going to completely rip apart one dress, turn it into a shirt by making plans out of my favorite shirt and sewing it all together. It's literally making like a shirt from scratch. It was intense. Okay, so this is the shirt I wanted to copy. So I got a paper and a pencil and I pinned the fabric at the seams inside out. When I pinned, I tried to stretch everything evenly, so that way the fabric wasn't so wrinkly and it had a little bit of stretch. All those pins will make tiny holes in your paper, so once you're done, you can remove the pins and fabric, so you can just connect the dots to make the pattern. I did this for only half of the shirt because the other side is mirrored. Then I redid these patterns on newspaper to correct some of the mistakes where I forgot to add seams. And I'm just gonna say, like, this looks so aesthetic. Doesn't it look aesthetic to you? Like, honestly, if you want to do some Instagram photo with newspaper, I think that would be amazing. together. I also made 16-inch straps with a generous amount of extra strap. Just in case, everything I made had a generous amount of extra fabric because I was very, very scared of making something too small and having to create an entirely new piece. I have no extra fabric in this tiny little dress to make a new panel to the shirt.
She's a Mona Lisa.
This is what the shirt looked like without anything attached, but I lowered the neckline to create a square neck with straps. It looks pretty lackluster without the cute border it originally had, so I wanted to create some different ways where the strap could be added on. My mom, sister, and my boyfriend all liked this one, but as I finished the shirt, I just realized I didn't like it very much, and I thought it was a little bit boring. So I wanted to make some pleated ruffles along the sides, just like the original shirt.
Under her disguise, yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score.
So to make the pleated ruffle, well, actually the original shirt has scallops. I don't feel like making scallops. So to make the pleated ruffles, you're gonna want to fold and pin along the length of the material. This way, when you get to the sewing machine, everything is organized. So you can just zip through it and make very neat pleats like this. I realized that the straps are redundant, so I said screw you, and I just sewed the pleats on. And just an FYI, if you design anything, always remove redundant features if you can. If you want to make your design look more put together and less. Then I sewed the beautiful pleats from the bottom of the shirt to the top and back side along the boob seams. Okay, and this is the final look. I wanted to show you a close-up of all the ruffles I made because it just looks so beautiful. One side is pinned and the other side isn't. As you can see, I went all the way along the boob line and it actually looks good, so I'm very happy about that. Okay, and this is what the shirt looks like on. I think it looks really nice, really beautiful. Honestly, at the end of the day, I showed it to my sister and she said something about it is off. And I think it's because of the colors. Off-white just never looks that good, especially this yellow, very, very pale yellow. It's just not the best on me, but you know what? It doesn't matter. I did it, it's done, and it looks nice. It's just not my color. Alright, so that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in altering a shirt, I actually altered a shirt for this video, but just because it was so in-depth and a little bit too boring for like a thrift flip, I didn't put it in. So if you guys are interested in a video about altering a shirt to become more tighter or more fitted, I've already pretty much have that together if you want to see it. Just let me know in the comments, or give this video a thumbs up. Hey everyone, welcome to my crafting corner. So yeah, this is not my crafting corner. I don't know what this is. But anyways, so welcome to my corner, and this is where I craft, and my name is Gabby. So if you have never seen me before, it makes sense because I've only done like 3 videos so far. So yeah, it's okay. You're not new. You're with everyone else. We're all in the same boat of not knowing who I am. Not exactly a flip. It's more of like a slight fold, maybe. Not a flip. I'm gonna just say doing it for yourself is a completely different experience. I actually really enjoy this. I enjoyed it so much that I'm like, you know what? I'll make a shirt now. I'm so ambitious. But bro, I don't know.